on the set.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take 1.
Alright, you recording already?
Yeah.
Oh, just wait, I'm gonna act like I've been out here this whole time, just up, waiting on everybody.
Roll sound.
Rolling.
Sound production, take 2.
What in the sophisticated ass?
You know, sir. Alright. You already, is the mic on too?
Action!
Good morning, y'all. It's day 2. Got a lot of shit to do. Gotta make content. I got a boat party. Messing up my sophisticatedness. Right now. Oh.
That was crazy, man.
You know, got a lot of shit to do. I hope y'all have a good one. And there's a lot more to come. You're gonna see another boat party part 2. We'll see what happens. And then the BTL party. We'll see. What's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? We back here with another vlog. Look at this bitch ass nigga. This bitch ass nigga came in today. Or, yeah, I guess it was today. You know what I'm saying?
I gotta be a bitch, though. I gotta be a bitch.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. My fault. I gotta do some ass for
Now I want to like crunch here, some sit ups, some VO. Like I don't want to get that belly.
What the fuck? Yo, why is this nigga fired? Why is this nigga ass big? This nigga like this. Walk around like
You too nasty. You used to it. That's just walk around.
Nigga, I put a red cup on this nigga. God damn.
If you open up your eyes, it's gonna take some time to realize.
This nigga fucking up these floors and shit. Skid marks when they come back. Mad as hell.
Don't do that to their toilet either, dude, like you did mine, bro.
Oh my bad, bro. Why you still remember that, bro? Why is that still a thing, bro? We should not talk about that.
He said skid marks and came back.
But they got a scrubber.
Bro, I walked in there.
That nigga all over, bro.
Bro, that nigga was
Nah,
taking a
bro,
picture,
that's
bro.
crazy.
That shit was crazy.
Hey.
What's the goal?
Twice if you need help.
Hey, you told us 15. You told us 15.
That's buddy.
You get both feet
It's a scam.
Nah, that's a scam.
Anybody want some Asian feet pics? Asian feet pics? Asian feet pics? Come on, I know you like some Asian feet pics, man. Asian feet pics? Asian. It's a purebred.
She might be a little bit of wine. That's about it.
Y'all coming tonight?
She says nigga we buy him.
Wait.
What's up, boss?
So the whole time y'all was talking about her?
Yeah. Oh, now you changed your mind, huh?
Now he changed his mind.
No, nigga. Stop doing this.
Oh,
Y'all going to jail. You going to jail. You going to hell.
I'd rather go to jail. I'd rather go to jail.
Buy people. $3. I'll give you a deal.
You look like a freaky ass nigga, 69 guy. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Brother.
Oh, slim thug looking at nigga. Don't do that. Don't do it. Hey man, what y'all getting into today though?
We got a pool party. Yeah.
What time? 5 to 10. I ain't coming.
I knew that nigga just gonna do that bullshit. I knew that nigga was that bullshit.
Me.
I'm just fucking with you.
Oh, God is that?
I got him first, nigga.
I know, but the rebuttal is crazy.
Oh shit. Man, you made this girl hang up on me. That's 2 strikes, nigga.
Exactly.
Hey, you stream on Twitch? Oh, was that racist?
You know you want it.
You know you want one, Ron.
Right here.
Hey, you get a glimpse.
I'm in a bounce.
Ah, boo.
Man, go and buy you a pig, nigga.
Yeah, we did a Diddy party. You were there, right?
Hey, Come get you a pic.
Hey, how was the Diddy party?
I went in that bitch.
You was there. I saw you. I saw you.
When was I there?
Oh, you was. Bill Cosby was there too. He must have.
Well, yeah, you tripping, man.
You look like you had a good time there, man. I know you did.
Bro, what?
I know you
It
did.
wasn't even that. It wasn't even that.
It was that. It's exclusive. It's exclusive. Exclusive. I can't say it out loud. Oh, yeah, that is tough. That is tough. That is tough.
I got just buy this?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from?
That's tough.
He did not my video's called Buying a Whole Freaking Drink Up.
That's tough. I fuck with it. Come on, y'all. Y'all know y'all anime niggas. This is straight from Japan. Straight from Japan.
Made in China.
Straight from Japan. We shipped her here this morning. Interested? You stopped. You stopped for a reason. Oh, that's what it is?
But let me see.
Hey, take off the sandal to show him. Hold it up.
He take it off.
Yeah, hey, no.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, shit. How much for him to
No, he don't.
You want it. You do. Yeah, you do. Come on, brother. I see you looking. Look, you look twice. I just seen it.
That's crazy.
Y'all got it?
That's your question. Insane.
Hey, keep him warm for me.
Keep it warm? I got you. I'm a ha.
Yes, sir. We out here, man. We at the boat party.
Big 31, how you feeling, brother?
You know, man, we had my little birthday party, man. You know,
Yes, sir.
big boat vibes, big boat vibes.
Yes, sir.
I got 31 shots from tonight. Last night he did 30. He was one short. Now he got 31.
Now you got to start over.
I'm back at it like
Now you got to start over.
I can handle it.
I don't even know what to do. I'm never on this side of the camera.
Watch today. Tell me what's going on. How you feel?
See that duck? That's how it's going right there. I'm that duck. I'm that duck.
So how lit is the fucking pool party gonna be?
When I tell you this pool party is gonna be different, it's gonna be different. I already know what the fuck going on, nigga. I'm lit outside of the B&B. I'm lit inside of the B&B. It don't matter where I'm at, it's gonna be lit. It's my brother's birthday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where the bottle at?
Let's do it. Give me the bottle. Where's the bottle? I need a bottle.
I need both of them now. How you feeling? It's 31st birthday. How you feeling?
Shot o'clock. I got you.
I ain't scared. I'm good.
Hey, that look hard though.
That look good. I gotta do the same shit. Look. See ya. See ya.
I asked her.
Let's get it.
Do she let me? She told me no. Fuck you, bitch.
She's on the side, I get all around her. I give her right now. She's a dumb boy. Don't fuck around, boy. She know I'm a dumb boy. She's taking me down, boy. Little white girl. She's on the side, I get all around her. I give her right now.
Oh my God! Bro, I got some in my mouth!
Oh my God!
I got some in my mouth!
She's taking me down.
I got some in my mouth!
He got in my arm.
I'm like, what the fuck?
Oh my God.
Girl, she's on this powder. I get hot around her.
Yo, go ahead, cameraman.
She French, I'm a cold boy. Don't fuck with my boy. She know I'm a cold boy. She's taking me down. White girl, she's on this powder. I get hot around her. She French, I'm a cold boy. She know I'm a cold boy. She's taking me down. got the shade. The extra lady better.
Hey, I fuck with y'all, and thank y'all for coming out to celebrate with me. If you haven't, sit your $100 in it now. This shit was expensive. This shit was expensive. But I wouldn't have wanted to celebrate with no motherfucking everybody. Cause I fuck with all y'all, love y'all. And I'm lit. I'm lit.
So that's why I told him that.
What you mean?
How y'all feeling, man?
Good, man.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Y'all sipping on?
I just had some Sprite. I ain't sipping on that. I ain't
Sprite?
Alright, chill.
You don't drink?
Nah, I don't do
I
that.
respect it. I respect it. Man, the myth, the legend that jumped in with me, and the lady, the woman, the myth, the legend as well, that jumped in with me. Nobody else want to jump in the pool.
Come on, Zay. Come on, Zay.
Oh yeah, Tom. Oh yeah, Tom. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah.
No way. No way. Oh shit.
Shit. Bye, Mark. Bye, Mark.
That's insane.
We here. We back wet again. Yeah.
This shit crazy.
That shit crazy, bro. We back wet again, bro.
I need good lighting. Good lighting, Mark. Good lighting.
You go first. Go ahead.
Yo! Hey! Vámonos!
Hey, there you go, bro. Yeah.
Hey, Toto, bro, how you doing, man? I feel good.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, if y'all not here, I should be here.
Exactly.
It's lit. We lit, at least. I don't know about the rest of them.
No, we lit for sure. We lit for sure.
All right, then.
You know what I'm saying?
It's just gonna get better from here on.
Come on. Hey, shout out to BTL, bro.
Oh, shout out BTL.
Hey, that's your cam.
That's our cam?
Yeah.
Oh, shout out BTL, the party. It's really crazy, like BTL. Next biggest group is crazy. The motion we had this weekend was crazy. Sexy Red, we got in free. AMP fuck with us.
Oh my God.
We got industry badges this weekend. We taking all our small streamers and our mans with us. But, you know what I'm saying? If you want to shoot us with us in the gym, it's too late. You see Mark right here?
Come on, bro.
He was kind of shooting us in the gym. He takes some free throws. So he gonna be up with us.
Come on, bro.
You see my nigga over there?
Oh, what's good, bro? Damn. What's the word? What's going on?
He was shooting with us in the gym. So it's like, in the gym? Niggas that was shooting with us in the gym, they gonna be up with us.
Come on, bro. You can't forget.
Okay.
Tight pussy, y'all come to yourself. Y'all something to your mind and yourself. Your body need me.
I thought you said you was jumping in.
What position y'all play?
Don't be shy, nigga. You better get in here.
Receiver.
Hold on, okay. Yeah, AT, come on. Hold on. Hey.
That's all you getting out of me talking more drinking my system. Oh God. I'm saying.
Really hold that shit down.
I don't dance.
Come on, hold on. I got it. Come on.
Hold on. Wait. Come on, keep that. Oh, why you put me back out here? Not back in. Hey, Rio, there we go.
Camera right there, bro.
Oh shit, damn. I can't even see that motherfucker. That was W rotation. Yeah, we killed that shit.
Oh shit, my bad.
We killed that. Yeah, hold on.
He wasn't hitting, not a
Like, bet I won't jump in that motherfucker.
I'm not shooting. Hey, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey!
Third time tonight.
But it's funny, little boy.
It is.
Hold on, Zay.
It's time for
Come on the pool. We gotta get the pool in, bro.
That nigga got shorts for you. He got shorts for everybody.
Wait. You better go in your draw. Do that. That's the Diddy party. This ain't a BTL party.
Bro, wait. So where's R. Kelly?
Oh shit, he ain't come yet.
R. Kelly not
Oh
coming?
yeah, they got his sentence. It extended. Like
Yeah, bro. Imagine having Diddy and R. Kelly, bro.
yeah, it would have been tough.
We got a little Tom Tom if that matters.
Wait,
Yeah,
We got a little Tom Tom.
you said we got who?
A little Tom Tom.
Yo, Tom Tom.
I'm about to get my stuff.
Hold on. Shit.
What's good, bro? I'm sorry.
Well, my voice is gone, and we're getting kicked out. We're getting kicked out of our B&B. I don't know why they waited, but it's okay. It don't even matter. It don't even matter. None of my business. We're getting packed up right now. I don't know where we're going.
He was doing it too. He got his something.
How you feeling, brother? I'm feeling
Yeah, me too. I just boom, boom, boom. I was like, what the fuck is going on?
I'm like, did someone get locked out on accident or some shit? Did I see you open?
I'm saying, niggas waited till I started open like 2 hours ago. I would understand they would fucking do
I talked to his girlfriend.
last night.
His girlfriend was cool as shit.
Hey guys, them BTL boys too. My account froze. What the fuck? This is why, look at my shit frozen.
That's crazy, pause.
Swipe up.
We did this shit.